Hello, my name is John. Welcome to this overview of zapMYstock, stock taking for MYOB AccountRight from ASP Microcomputers. Here we see the initial screen. From this screen we can configure our software, we can create a stock take, we can print barcode labels, we can send our created stock take to a terminal, we can print stock count sheets. Once a count is done, we can load data from the terminal back into zapMYstock. We can view any count differences, and we can view reports. And now we'll have a look at a series of reports. Some information on the stock itself. So let's click on reports. And here we see there's a couple different types. We have the current stocktake set of reports, and we have the stocktake historical reports. Firstly, we'll have a look at the current stocktake reports, and that is the first one here, all items. Click on preview, and here we see all the items that were counted. The item name, the stock on hand, the counted quantity, any differences. So this information is the complete stock take. At this point we can choose to, of course, view it, we can choose to save it, and saving it shown here a number of possibilities: Acrobat files, Word file, Excel file for export, for example. We can save it as a common delineated text file, CSV file, as an image possibly, as a picture, and of course we can print. You send to a local printer and print this report out for our records. So very straightforward, a comprehensive summary of the stock itself. Let's have a look at the other option here, items counted. Looks very similar. Now, as the name implies, these are only the items that were counted, so it excludes any items that were not counted. And how do we know what those are? Well, there is a report for items uncounted. So very important, we can refer to this report and notice the items that were missed, that are part of the stock that's supposed to be on hand but were not taken into account in the stock take. Items processed basically refers to items that were sent to MYOB. Here we specifically only sent one item to MYOB, and the rest remain unprocessed. Once we click on the update stock count button in the stock take itself, then the items will be sent to MYOB and will be listed as processed. So at this stage the items listed do not have their stock quantities updated as yet. Perhaps we want to make some further adjustments, but when we do make the adjustment they'll be listed as updated in MYOB. The last set, just a single report, stocktake history. You can see the historical view of all the stocktakes that were undertaken. The current one, we can click on preview and it would give us basically information on the items that are part of this stocktake, as we can see here. So a set of reports that are very useful to us in reviewing both the current stock and perhaps previous stock takes. And that completes our view of zapMYstock, making stock taking for MYOB AccountRight a cinch. Thank you.